Today's recipe is oatmeal raisin cookies. Okay, we're going to take our butter that we have softened and we're going to add our brown sugar and our white sugar. And we're going to mix this up until it's combined. Do this on medium speed. And it is much easier to do this if your butter is softened. You can soften it in the microwave for a few seconds. You can leave it out on the counter. But it becomes much easier when the butter is softened. Then we're going to add our eggs and our vanilla, and we're going to continue beating this until it's combined. These cookies are great to make. They make the house smell great, and they don't last very long in our house. Scrape down the sides. Alright, we're just going to set that aside and combine our dry ingredients. So we're going to combine our flour, our oats, our baking soda, our salt, and that lovely cinnamon. And we'll just stir this until it's all mixed together. And once we have that mixed together, we're going to add that to our wet ingredients. So we'll just add a little bit at a time, beating that together. This dough will become quite thick. Scrape down the sides and keep adding your dry ingredients. You could do this by hand as well if you like. Then we'll add in our raisins and we'll beat that until they're incorporated. I find the dough is quite thick at this time. You can finish it off by hand. You just want to make sure that there isn't a lot of flour that we see left over. Then we'll take our baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper and we're just going to heat big spoonfuls. You could use a cookie scoop if you have one. And this recipe makes 24 large cookies. And you can choose whatever size you want to make. You could make more cookies if you go a little smaller. And then we'll place this in the oven at 350 degrees for around 11 to 13 minutes. They want to be a bit underbaked in the middle, but golden on the outside. Let them cool for 5 minutes before transferring to a cooling rack. Enjoy. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.